access publication. Under the first route, in case of the golden route, full access journal, and another one is hybrid journal. Hybrid journal publication via hybrid is what it means to say each and every person has to pay the amount to those publishers who are willing to publish your document. It means to say there is no escape of APCs. It means to say we have to pay and then we can get it published. As I told you earlier, Golden has two categories, full open journal and hybrid journals. Now the another point, green route. Under this green route, the full text of the academic publications is deposited in a trusted repository, a publicly accessible database managed by a research organization. It means to say that as and when we get it published and different organizations, they club together and they maintain a database, and that database is being accessible for everyone, and that route is known as green route. It means to say there is no open access journal, there is no open hybrid journal, etc., etc. For example, as I told you earlier, the University Grants Commission has a particular repository of Sodh Ganga, and they invite the people, okay, publish and deposit your thesis on this Sodh Ganga. And the university has to pay the amount to the InflibNet. It is an organization under the totally control of University Grants Commission. Similarly, these examples are available on the screen. Dutch institutional repositories via NARCIS, the Dutch portal for the research information. Another route is Diamond route. Publication via Diamond journals platforms that do not charge author-facing publication fee. Diamond open access journals are usually funded by libraries, subsidy models, institutions, or societies. Now you have to ask a question from me. What is the basic difference between the golden and diamond? It means to say the golden route is saying the APC is to be paid for publication by the institutions, by the scholar, by the author. In case of the hybrid, the total amount is being paid by the author. In case of the green route, only the payment is to be made by the library or the universities for database. In case of the diamond, it is known as it is a particular platform that do not charge any kind of the amount is not being charged from the author, whether he is publishing any kind of the report, any kind of the document, etc., etc. Only and only the universities or the institutions, they get the subsidy from different funders, and on that basis they run such kind of the diamond publications, open access publication. I hope these three routes are clear. Any query, any question you can ask. Otherwise, I will go for next.
What is the
Clear, sir.
difference between diamond route and golden route?
In case of the golden route, the charge is to be paid by the organization, by the author. But in case of diamond route, no single penny is to be paid by the author. Only and only the universities or the libraries will pay this amount. Otherwise, no any kind of author facing charge will to be paid by any author. It means to say author is excluded totally. Whether it is your database, whether it is your journal, whether it is your paper, article, etc., etc. Right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next point is Sherpa Romeo online resource to check publisher copyright and self-archiving policies. The name is very much common and it is your unit number 4 and the second point. Just you have to have your syllabi also. Sherpa Romeo is an online resource that aggregate and presents publishers and general open access policies from around the world. It means to say it is a global organization from where we can get the online resources because of the Sherpa or the Romeo collect such kind of the all kind of the journals, all kind of the online resources and aggregate at one place. For example, if I am saying a database, Taylor and Francis, elsewhere Taylor Francis, Springer, they are clubbed together and the umbrella is of Sherpa or the Romeo. Sherpa Romeo is simply, I am saying, it is online resource by which we can access these kind of the information. Now, another point. The Sherpa is what? As I told you earlier, that any kind of the document is being published by anyone at the world level and we can access it immediately. Now, another point is saying as and when we access the information, nobody has to take the permission to access these informations. Any kind of the information you can take. The Sherpa Romeo is working from the past 15 years. The policy information provided through this service primarily aims to serve the academic research community. Since the service launched over 15 years ago, publishers, policies, and other open access sectors have changed a lot. Open access policy can be complex and varies according to geographical locations, the institutions, and the various routers or the routes to open access, all of which affect how and where you can publish your research. It means to say this particular organization has been established 15 years ago and different policies are being framed for different locations. For India, they will access or they will provide different policy. For USA, there will be a different policy. For Britain, another policy. It means to say everyone country has to follow the different policy as which is given by this organization. Otherwise, nobody is accessible to this online resource. If the policies are being implemented by them, then they can access, otherwise no. Now, is it audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, in case of the Sherpa, I have shared different links on your Google Classroom and you can access these information from these kind of the Google Classroom activities or the links so that you can be aware what is the meaning of it and how it is utilized. If I am sharing this information with you, in case of the statistics, if we just go for the statistics of the Sherpa, Sherpa is very much common online resources and 152 database or are part of the Sherpa or the Romeo. It is a brief introduction of the Sherpa and the Romeo. Why? Because of such kind of the online resources are available and anybody can access these information. Why they will access? Because of if I am a scholar, publisher, editor, and I am willing to take the visibility of my papers, my publications around the world, then I have to take the membership of this Sherpa of the Romeo. If I am not the member of the Sherpa or the Romeo online access, then nobody will be able to watch, to read, to download, to copy my paper. That's why for each and every person who is willing to publish their journals, their papers at the global level, they should have to have the member of that particular online source center. Now, you can ask any query in this regard. However, I have shared all kinds of the links with you, which are very much directly related to with this. Moreover, I attach one information with you and share with you software tools to identify predatory publications developed by Savitri Bhai Phule University, SPPU. What this line is saying, I have shared a link with you. Under this, the different links where the material is available about this total paper. You can just click on it and different links are available, and then you can see what kind of the material you have. If you are willing to access, you can access easily. There is no confusion and no problem. Moreover, as day before yesterday, we have mentioned a particular name Jane, Jane. Basically, the Jane is what? It is Journal Author Name Estimator. Please note down it. Journal Author Name Estimator. Jane, Jane. Basically, it is what? It compare your partner's title or the abstract with the million of the others in the PubMed to find out matching article, authors, and journals. It means to say it is a particular point, it is a particular software which will compare your paper with the others which are available at the world level. That's why I'm saying you have to utilize this software also, so that you can find out where you have to publish your paper and what kind of the journal you have. And another link I have shared with you, University of Wollongong, Australia. There is a university in Australia where they have developed a particular software, Journal Finder Tools, under which you can access the Scopus Journal Analyzer, Elsevier Journal Finder, Springer Journal Suggester, Manuscript Matcher, Open Journal Matcher, IEEE Publication Recommender, and JANE. These are what? These are different options, different software tools by you, or with the use of these, you can access what kind of the journal is fit for my publication, fit for my paper. That's why we have to check out these links and we can access the information from different online sources. Another query from the point of view of the publisher or the author, if you are willing to ask, you can ask. Anyone?
It's okay, sir.
Okay, with these words, thanks a lot. And we will meet on the next Friday. One information I am
Thank you,
willing
sir.
to share with you all. Just I share one information. What I need? I need that the study material be created with a teamwork for this paper, because this paper is very much new for all. And you are near about 82 students. If we capture point wise, unit wise, one point, or you can say one topic for one student, another topic for another student, or the department wise, we have to club together and we have to prepare the study material for it, which will be beneficial for us and the forthcoming generations. How many of you, the students, are willing to develop the study material so that if it is fit for all or fit from all corners, then we can go for publishing of the edited book from a reputed international author or the publisher also. Please give your
I will do so.
willingness on the Google Classroom.
I agree, sir.
Who is willing to
Sir,
who is
I'm
willing to
willing, sir.
contribute?
Sir, I'm interested.
Okay, please give your topic where you are where you are interested. Okay. Through Google Classroom, you have to send your consent, and then I will meet together personally, and then we will resolve how we have to check out it and how we have to prepare this study material, right? Because it is a good step for the university and the library as well as other stakeholders of this paper, right? With these words, I thank you all and congratulate you all that you have maintained a patience during the disconnectivity of the internet, and I appreciate your efforts that you have given your consent immediately, and I hope most of the students will be the part of this vision and mission also. With these words, thanks a lot. Thank you very much to
Thank
you
you,
all.
sir.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Now I
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
okay,
Thank
thanks,
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Please leave this meet.